Want to know how much talk time, data, or service days you have left on your AirTalk Wireless phone? It's simple. You have three main ways to check. First, use the AirTalk app, available on both iOS and Android. This is the quickest and most recommended method, providing instant balance updates for minutes, data, and service days. Second, visit the AirTalk Wireless website and log into your account at account.airtalkwireless.com. This gives you detailed balance information through a secure web portal. Third, you can try texting Ball to 611. Keep in mind that the 611 method is being phased out, so the app or website are your best bets. All balance checks are free, so you can stay on top of your usage without any extra costs. Your AirTalk balance includes minutes for calls, data in GB for internet use, and the number of service days remaining. These update in real time, so what you see is what you get. Keep an eye on your usage to avoid running out unexpectedly. Looking ahead, checking balances will become even easier. Expect AI-powered alerts that notify you when you're close to using up your data. Voice commands through Siri or Google Assistant may also become available, letting you check your balance simply by asking. AirTalk is committed to making balance checking a user-friendly experience.